how to hide followers on Spotify in just a few easy steps. If you're someone who likes to keep your listening habits private or just want to hide your followers on Spotify, I've got you covered. So today I'm going to show you how to hide your followers in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up the Spotify app on your phone or go to the Spotify website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, simply once you open you're on the home tab on the screen, then simply tap on your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. From there, simply go to settings and privacy. This is where you'll make your changes to your privacy. Now, simply tap on privacy and social. Here, you'll see an option called private accounts or private sessions. Simply tap on it. Under that, you can see profile visibility. And here you can find followers and following. Simply toggle that off so that no one can be able to see your followers and followings. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've hidden your followers on Spotify and protected your privacy.